Come with me. Stay close to me.
Okay, Tom.
Hold my hand.
Okay. I am happy.
We are here. Stay near me.
Wow, so many shops.
Look at that ball.
I like the toys.
It's so bouncy.
So pretty. Let's go. Yay!
Keep holding me.
Yes, Tom, I will.
Wow, that football. Like it.
Tom, look here.
Wait here. 1 second.
Okay.
Sister? Where are you? Oh no. Please come back. Sister! Where are you? Sister! Answer me! Please!
Tom? Where are you? I am scared.
Please move! I need my sister! Please! Did you see my sister?
No, son.
Small girl in yellow. No, I haven't seen her. I cannot see her. Where is she?
Tom, I want home. Please come.
Sister! Please answer! Please!
Hold her hand. Be careful.
My sister is lost. Please help me.
Stay calm. Small girl in yellow dress. Please come here.
Please be safe.
Attention, a lost child named Emma is looking for her family.
That is me.
Her brother Tom is looking for her.
Tom is looking.
I am here.
Please help her. Please keep her safe. Where is she?
Tom, what happened? I lost her.
I am sorry. I looked away.
Stay calm.
We will find her. Do not panic.
Okay.
I want my family.
They are near.
There she is! Sister! Thank God. I found you! I was scared.
I am sorry. I am here now.
Okay.
My children, you are safe.
Thank God. Always hold her hand. Be careful next time.
Yes, Father.
I understand.
I am sorry. I am with you.
Let us go home.
Stay together.
Yes.
Thank you, Tom.
I will protect you.
Okay.
We are home.
Good day now.
Yes.
This is yours. I am sorry.
Family stays together.
We are happy now.
Yes.
For more interesting stories and English story videos,
Like, right?
and turn on the bell icon now.
Now.